Good morning. Hello. If you're watching the replay, good afternoon or good evening. Hello, hello, hello. Today is day 22 of my Lit Financial Literacy Challenge. And today we are speaking about mortgage protection versus mortgage insurance. Now, some of you think that you have mortgage protection, and I come here today to tell you that you do not. If you are not able to continue to pay your mortgage payments due to a critical, chronic, or terminal illness or the death of a spouse, and you would lose your house, then you don't have mortgage protection. See, mortgage protection is you having a policy to make sure that if something happens to you into which you are critically, chronically, or terminally ill, or you pass away, you're able to have enough money come in from the policy proceeds to pay off your home. Mortgage insurance protects the lender. Mortgage protection protects you and your family. So I want to say this too. If you for whatever reason only have $50,000, $20,000, $100,000 in life insurance outside of your job, but your home is $300,000, or your mortgage is $300,000, you have $300,000 left to pay on your home, you are underinsured. You need more insurance. It's good to have insurance, but you don't want to be underinsured. So if you are underinsured, I encourage you to reach out to me so that I can do a quick insurance inquiry meeting with you. I can give you some quotes. Mortgage protection can be given in the form of term. It can be given in the form of a whole life policy. As a matter of fact, I have some policies that will actually give you your premiums back after 20 or 30 years, and you could use that to pay off the home completely. So again, if you do not have a policy that protects your family from having to leave the home, if you pass away or if you become ill with a critical, chronic, or terminal illness, then you are not properly insured. You are underinsured. So that's what I have to share with you on today. Make sure that you have mortgage protection as well as mortgage insurance. If this is your first time watching me live, my name is Terri Alford. I specialize in helping business women build wealth and financial freedom so that we can live, lead, and lead multi-million-dollar legacies. In addition to that, or in short, I help you build six-figure retirement streams instead of six-figure retirement dreams. And the truth of the matter is, if you do become ill with the illness, or you do have a medical emergency, or your spouse have a medical emergency, or your child has a medical emergency that results in an illness, that results in a diagnosis, guess what? You may have to go into your savings account. You may have to go into your retirement account. I don't want you to go into your savings. I don't want you to go into your emergency fund. I don't want you to go into your 401k, your 403b, your IRAs. I don't want you to go into those accounts when there are insurance companies with riders on their policies that are specifically designed for that reason. Use OPM. Other people's money, okay? Use the insurance company's money because that's what it's there for. So if you are insured but you don't have enough insurance to pay off your home, it's time for you to get more coverage. Even if you have to get a term policy, it's better than not having any insurance outside of your job, especially if you know that you are wanting to leave that job. If you do not plan on being there until you retire, or plan on being there until the Lord comes back, you need to make sure that you have those benefits set in place. Some people ask me, well, Terri, how did you make the transition from being a principal to being a full-time entrepreneur? Well, I had some things in place and I was ready before that time came. So you want to be ready before that time comes. You will never be as young as you are today. Today is the youngest you will ever be. Whether you're watching the video live or watching the replay, today is the absolute youngest you will ever be. So go ahead and get as much coverage as possible at the best rate possible. And if you are healthy, why not have $1 million? Why not have $1 million in coverage and be able to have up to $1 million you can access if you do need it? Why not? You spend money on other things that you want. You may as well put money into a plan that's going to yield money when you need it most. So that's what I'm here to share with you on today. Again, I thank you for watching this video. If this video has been educational, type educational in the comment section. If it's been inspirational, type inspirational. If it's been motivational, type motivational in the comment section. I am glad to be back. If you've been following me on my journey, you understand that I've been traveling for the last week, and I am so glad to be back in my humble abode, my home, that I've been able to build and make sure I have enough mortgage protection on too. Because even if something happens to me, I want to make sure my family, I don't have any children yet, but I want to make sure that my family inherits the home. I don't want them to inherit the mortgage. I don't want them to have to go through this probate issues, so I want to make sure that those things are in place. And so that's why I made sure that I took care of making sure I have mortgage protection too. Soon as I closed on my house in 2021, I got more life insurance. I got more accelerated living benefits life insurance. And I'm encouraging you to do that as well. If you are a realtor, if you are a loan officer, if you're in the mortgage industry, I'm looking to connect with you because I want to share more of this information with your homeowners, with the people that are, with the people who are purchasing homes. They need to know, hey, ma'am, hey, sir, queen, king, that's not all that you need. You need this as well. Okay. Even when I do speak at home seminars, you have all of these beautiful people that speak about ways to get the house. I'm the one that's going to help you keep the house. Okay. So again, if you are watching the replay, type #replay. I thank you all for watching my live on this morning. I got to get back to work because I've been on vacation for the last 7 days. So I will see you all again very soon. See you in the morning. Thank you for following. Adios.